as the car corner pace car ducks on down, driven by Darrell Williams. Used to be Sportsman driver. The wild and crazy Mountain Dew Roadrunners are going to pick up speed. We are going racing this time around, ladies and gentlemen. Get those flags out. Let's wave them as they're coming by. As they're going to pick up speed. Here they come. They come. Green flag, and we're racing. And in the early going, it's a points leader, Lonsberry, to pull away from Chris Page. Ostenson's pulling away from Cavan. Coming into turn 3, Ostenson looking on the outside of Chris Page. Justin Wagner starting to look to the inside of Wild Bill. Wild Bill all over the rear end of Josh Cavan. Gave him a little push, said, get going, Josh. Pushing him again. Maybe he should try to pass him. That might be just a little bit nicer if he does that.
Still Lonsberry, the 22 out front. Now in a battle for second place. Ryan Ostenson and Chris Page in that 51 car. Balms now in the 64s making it clear as he's in the 4 spot. Wagner in the 5, Cavan in the 6.
Must have been a disagreement there as both Bill Balms and Justin Wagner decided to give the 7 car, Josh Cavan, a little push there in turns 1 and 2. But we've got a battle for second as Ostenson went to the inside of Page looking to make his move and then changed his mind.
Only 2 dash winners in this group, the 73 of Justin Wagner and the 17 of Ryan Ostenson. The rest of these cars have not won a dash here at the Rockford Speedway this year.
So once again, the battle looks to be between second, third, and fourth between Page, Ostenson, and Balms, as Dwayne Lonsberry could be putting it in cruise control this time around, making it look easy, as the rest of the field's going to try to catch that 22 car.
So it's Lonsberry in first, Page in second, and door-to-door 17 of Ostenson and Balms go along the back stretch.
Here goes the battle for third, Eric. It's going to be Balms or Ostenson. As Wagner leaves, Ostenson spins out.
Whoa.
So that means Balms is going to get third place. Cavan's going to get fourth, and Ostenson will get fifth. If Ostenson would have spun out just a little bit farther, he could have got fifth place, Eric. He could have beat out Josh Cavan on the spin, but just didn't get the quite travel with that spin. Maybe if he had more horsepower coming out or something, Eric.
Yeah, a little bit more horsepower. This 22 car has 5 feature wins, 3 heat wins. This is his first dash win. He is first in the points. Ross Steel Collision Center, Northwoods Auto Sales, prime sponsors for this 1985 Chevy Monte Carlo. He's also a Bandit driver as well. As the steering wheel comes out of the car, hey, let's give it up for the number 22 of Dwayne Lonsberry.